welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to be creating this classic timeless sultry smoky eye. Trust me, I have kept this smoky eye very simple for you guys. I have only used two eyeshadow palettes and I have created this simple smoky eye. No jhanjat of kajal or anything, just your basic eyeshadow palette. So let's get into the video. Started off by applying some concealer because you need some base on your eyelid so that such dark colors pop out. I'll be using Swiss Beauty and Nika K eyeshadow palette. Started off with some transition shade. Always go for some transition shade on your eyelids. So with black, browns complement really well. So I just picked up my warm neutral eyeshadow palette of Swiss Beauty, applying at that brown as my transition shade, and then I just went ahead with my black from this Nika K palette. Start applying that eyeshadow very close to your eyelash first, as you can see I am doing it in the video, and then start building it up. I'm using a very precise brush and dust off everything excess because you don't want a lot of fallout on your face. So dust off and then start applying, blending it out really well on your eyelid, and you can see how I am just patiently, calmly building that black eyeshadow and blending it out really well. It's okay if you're messy, if it's going haywire, because at the end we will take a third shade and blend out stuff. So yeah, just taking that color and building it up exactly how much I want to build it. And after I'm done placing my black eyeshadow, I will use this dark brown eyeshadow and start blending it on my crease, so that the harsh lines of my black and my transition shade are blended really well and no one can really find out where my black starts and ends. And you saw it in the video, right, how with that dark brown shade everything blended out and everything looks so put together. So that's the trick, you guys. Just blend and place the colors very calmly and lightly and gently, and then I'm going with that lightest brown shade and just blending out everything well. Do not forget to apply the colors on the lower lash line as well, so that everything looks nice and put together. Now let's move on to our remaining face. I am just going ahead with my Inside Cosmetic primer and the usual foundation and color bar illuminator and applying it all over my face. Now with smoky eye, or whenever you're doing eyes which are very heavy, always do the eyes first because there are chances of fallout on your face. So if you've done your base first, if you've done your foundation and concealer first, and then you go ahead with such dark eyeshadows, the fallout is going to happen and then your base will be ruined. So always keep in mind, do eyeshadows first and then go ahead with your remaining face makeup. And yeah, because in case if there was any black fallout, you can wipe it off with your wipes or with your water and all of that, and you get a clean slate again to do your base makeup. So yep, that's what I did. Oh, by the way, if you are looking out for a good concealer blending brush, I recommend this Sugar Cosmetic blender brush. This is one of their best seller brush. I will have it linked in my description, so check it out. It's fabulous. It blends my concealer like a dream. I love the way it is just shaped. So yeah, if you really don't understand what to use to blend my concealer, just go ahead and purchase this Sugar concealer brush. And don't forget to put a highlight concealer shade as well, so your black smoky eye will pop out really well. And yeah, just blending out, putting my powder and blending it out. I removed my powder with my brush first, and then you will see I will again go ahead and use my powder puff, so that the powder is really packed inside my eyes. It's really mixed well with my concealer, and that's how my concealer will last a bit longer and won't crease. just doing my eyebrows. Now see, you have done a very classic black smoky eye, so enhance your features a bit sharply. It will actually look very good. So I am doing my brows, shaping them really well this time because I want them to come out very well. And as you can see in the video, my brows are looking really good, or that's what I think. Going ahead with my bronzer. Now again, another tip with like classic smoky eye, do not forget to apply some bronzer on your face. You need that warmthness on your face. You know, you can just not leave your face blank. As I said with smoky eye, please enhance and highlight your remaining face features as well, because everything in the end will look absolutely gorgeous and great, and that's how, you know, you will have that killer smoky effect. So here, as you can see, I just bronzed my face and it added so much of life back on my face, and so much of youthfulness, and you know, that sharp uh, effect just came on my face. Do not forget to apply some bronzer on your nose as well, because it's very important. Don't leave it blank. And if you think you've done extra, just go ahead with your beauty blender. And I always say this beauty blender is one of the best investment in makeup, so always have a beauty blender handy. And I just went ahead with my Swiss Beauty blush. I wanted very light blush. I wanted to keep it very nude, very peachy light, so hence I avoided using some pinky you know, undertone blush. And I just went ahead with my highlighters. For some reason my camera never picks up my highlighter, but okay, I'll fix that. For my lips, again keeping it very nude and basic, because as you know, the star of my face is my black smoky eye, so keeping it very nude and cool tone lips. So I just went ahead with my Rude Cosmetic lipstick, and then I applied my Fair Beauty lipstick and putting on some lashes. My lashes are from pack. This is their tapered lash 52. Again, I will have them linked down. Finishing it off with my ND Wire lip balm, because I like glossy lips. And just packing everything with my makeup mist, and that's it, you guys. This is how you can really achieve timeless smoky eye. Now you know, it's very simple, very easy to create, and you just need 2 eyeshadow palettes, 3 basic colors including black, and a good blender brushes. Blend your shadows really well, and that's it. Hope you guys like my video. I will see you in my next videos. Bye.